Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question from the first chapter of the Beer and Johnston textbook, Mechanics of Materials, question 19, and we have the axial force in the column supporting the timber beam as shown, which the force P is 20 kips, and we need to determine the smallest allowable length L of the bearing plate if the bearing stress in the timber is not exceed 400 psi. So the givens that we have in the question is, first of all, we know that the force is 20 kips, so that's this part of the question. We also need to figure out the length of L. So L is unknown in here, and we know that the stress in here cannot exceed 400 psi. So we are dealing with the stress, which will be force over the area. The area that we have is basically the area of this part, which is a rectangle. We have one side L, which is the unknown, and the other side is 6 inches, and we have to find the smallest length L. And if we want to find the area, we have a rectangle, one side is L, the other side is 6. So basically in the denominator we have 6 times L. And when we have the L minimum, or the smallest amount, we have the stress maximum. So the maximum that we have for stress is 400. So basically we can write down 400 is equal to the force P, which is 20 kips over 6L, and on the left side the 400 is in psi units, which means we have to have pound per inch squared. So the 6 is already in inch, and we're gonna get L in inch too, but we have to keep in mind that in the numerator we have to have pound. So we have a unit conversion. If we want to do that, we know 1 kip is equal to 1,000 pounds. That way we can cancel out the kips in here, and we are left off with only one unknown in here, which is L. So we have 6L times 400 is equal to 20 times 1,000. And if we want to calculate L, we can cancel out the 0 on each side. We have 200 divided by 4 times 6. So basically we have 200 divided by 4 times 6 is 24, and that way we can find our L, 8.33 inch, which would be the final answer for this question, or the smallest allowable length of L in this problem. Hope everything made sense. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Check out the playlist in the channel. We're covering different textbooks, and we're solving different problems from each textbook. Let me know if you have any specific problem in your mind that you want me to cover it in the next videos. And yeah, you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.